Data, data, data. Attention real estate investors and wholesalers, we all know that data is the foundation to your entire marketing strategy. My name is Carlos Reyes, and I'm presently one of the top real estate investors in the country with over 1,000 transactions under my belt. And let me tell you, having reliable prospect information is absolute key to acquiring more deals. That's right. If you don't have reliable seller information, you will waste thousands and thousands of marketing dollars. Not only that, you will also lose a lot of money on missed opportunities. Stop wasting your time and money on the wrong skip tracing companies. My company has been using Need to Skip for 6 years, and we have been able to consistently produce amazing results month in and month out. Let me tell you why. Their records, we skip them as low as 15 cents per skip. No minimum commitments, no annual contracts, and most importantly, they are one of the best skip tracing companies in the business. Hey, listen, I've tried other skip tracing companies. I've wasted my time and money on the wrong agencies, and that was very painful. Don't make the same mistakes I made. Start winning today. Make sure you use Need to Skip for all of your skip tracing needs. Thank you.